Right, guys, what is going on? It is currently Saturday night, 27th of September, and we just finished work. Room is tidied, ready to do a trade recap for you guys. Today, we're going to be doing a quick coverage of the trade I took Friday in the PM session. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, if we look on the 4 hour, we had this nice reaction on Thursday off this gap, and the next sort of PD array we were looking at this 4 hour right here. So, if we zoom in here and look at the sessions, so as you can see, New York AM successfully went down, up first, or down first, up first, took data highs and lows. Then it started going to the upside. We had a couple of ideas for the PM session here because if you look on ES, there are equal highs here, and this was the previous day high, and I believe we are back to being bullish here, as I think we've retraced enough now, and we should be seeing higher prices, or at least in the short run here. So keeping that in mind, market open in the PM session, and we break into this 15-minute gap here, and if you look on the 2-minute time frame, we're in a macro time zone here, 13:54, so that's 1:54 p.m. New York time. Go in here, create a little fair value gap, close that with one candle. This to me, instant buy. There shouldn't be any hesitation, guys. I mean, this level of displacement from this FEG, and if you check on the ES as well, you have a similar thing going on here. We had equal lows as well. This was the draw lower, so we had equal lows combined with a 15-minute FEG. Really, really, really nice little gap to find here. Caught that, and because it was Friday PM session, I didn't want to get too greedy, so just went for a 1-to-1. Cheeky little 1-to-1, and literally delivered in 3 candles. I mean, that is peak efficiency right there, guys. Obviously, if you wanted to target this high here, the AM high, you could have done so and netted like a 2-to-1 RR, but there's no need for greed here. Take the 1-1, finish the week on a high, bosh. We'll be back tomorrow with the next video, which is going to be the weekly preview for Nasdaq, S&P 500, and the futures market in general. But aside from that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.